Grandma, say hi. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Tell her how much you love her. And what else? And tell her it's a little bit cold, so you have on your gloves and your hat. And you're all covered up so your piggies don't get cold. Can you smile? Huh? You gonna give her a smile? You can do it. Alright, say bye, Grandma. I love you.